Story Nest.
Benny the bear, a stout fellow with fur the color of warm honey and a perpetually flower-dusted nose, hummed a merry tune as he arranged tiny teacups on a miniature wooden table. Lila, the ladybug, her bright red wings, dotted with precisely 7 black spots, zipped excitedly around his head, her antennae twitching with anticipation. Sunlight streamed through the leafy canopy of their cozy forest kitchen, illuminating jars filled with sparkling berry jam and shelves stacked high with colorful mixing bowls. "Are the blueberry muffins ready yet, Benny? My tummy is rumbling like a sleepy badger," Lila chirped, landing gently on the edge of a large earthenware mixing bowl. Benny chuckled, his belly jiggling. "Almost, dear Lila. Just a few more minutes in our wonderful wood-fired oven." He carefully pulled out a tray of golden brown muffins, their sweet aroma filling the air. Today was a special day. Benny and Lila were baking a mountain of treats for the annual Forest Friendship Feast. Squirrels were bringing their nut brittle, rabbits were contributing carrot cakes, and even grumpy old Barnaby Bear from across the Whispering Woods had promised to bring his famous honey cookies. With the muffins cooling, Lila helped Benny whisk together a light and fluffy frosting, her tiny legs a blur as she moved around the bowl. They chatted and giggled, their hearts as light as the meringue they were creating. Soon, the kitchen table was laden with delicious goodies, towers of blueberry muffins, plates of delicate lavender shortbread, and a magnificent 3-tiered cake adorned with fresh forest berries. As the first guests began to arrive, their eyes wide with delight at the sight of the feast, Benny and Lila beamed with pride. Sharing their baked treats and the joy of friendship was the sweetest recipe of all.